Welcome. In this module, we'll talk about key inhibitors for security program failure, or key inhibitors which cause or result in security program failure. Now, there may be several inhibitors to achieving a successful security transformation project. Let's look at what those are. So a failed project could be caused by poor execution, poor executive commitment, poor structure and strategy. Primarily, these are the three big areas where there would be a contribution. And there are obviously other factors as well, but these are the three big areas, and we cannot really afford to go wrong in either one of these. Executive commitment obviously comes at the top as the primary mechanism, and then there's structure and strategy, how we go about, how we plan, and then if you don't execute it and don't project manage it, then again, we'll be into a failed project. So executive management, let's take a look. Executive management allocates the budget and approves the resources. So if we're going wrong here, then there's probably not going to be much of a security program. The executive management sets organizational priority and tone at the top, sets the entire culture. By setting periodic reviews, sets consistency in the rest of the organization. Everybody knows that there's going to be a quarterly steering committee meeting or board meeting, and everybody has to report, and nobody wants there to be a red light or poor performance showing for their department in front of the board. Now, even if you start a program without executive management support, it may not last long, and the reason for that is that the periodic reviews is what makes the program consistent and gives the assurance that it will carry on. Periodic reviews by executive management drive the execution in the IT organization, and they build up the momentum and the importance. Organizational priorities may change quickly if executive management does not sustain its commitment. So in a fast-paced business environment, there's a lot of changes happening. New business requirements are coming up, and if the executive commitment, strong, solid commitment is not there, they really want to get this done, then there's new waves coming along, and there may be a new priority that comes along, and then security transformation would be swept under the carpet, no longer a priority. Now there's a new priority. After another 4 months, there's a new priority. So that's why executive management is so important, because they make sure that they bring consistency to the entire program, and it's going to stay there, and they're going to allocate resources, and they're going to keep asking how the program is moving with their periodic reviews. Now, the next level is strategy and structure. Now, a good or poor strategy and structure will make or break any project, any discipline or domain in any organization in any part of the world. It's always the strategy and the structure of projects which will make or break and make it succeed or make it fail. Addressing the needs and interlinkages to make the entire machinery work in a streamlined manner, make all the moving parts coordinate and streamlined with each other, cooperative with each other, efficient with each other. So that's very important, and that's what strategy and structure is about. Understanding roles of various stakeholders and taking them all along. What are the needs? What are the concerns of various stakeholders? What are the pressing issues of all the stakeholders? Having sufficient experience to work at various tiers and levels of the organization. The most senior and the board, and the most senior and the most junior, which is the IT resources, for example. Moving on to execution. All information security projects boil down to strong, solid, disciplined execution and project management once leadership commitment and strategy structure issues have been addressed. Allocating tasks to run different phases of the project in parallel and sequentially, prioritizing different activities and tasks, tracking the progress, reporting the dashboards, making the information presentable, and the team steering committee and the board presentations, reporting. And failure of the information security program will be imminent and obvious if any one of these three elements, leadership, strategy, structure, and execution, these three elements is not adequately addressed. And that pretty much lies true is pretty much is true for any type of project. You have to address the sponsorship commitment or the leadership commitment, the strategy and the structure, how you're going to get it done, and the day-to-day project execution. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.